Dr. Ngonzi yahayo kurabura oku Mbarara University yabanekwasibwa laboratory y'omurembe erikuza kuba nekozesebwa okucebera endwara eziri kuteganisa abanya-Uganda.
Usanga abantu nga bamira ddagala nwakubadde nti abashaho tebabawandiikidde. Omuntu afunayo omutwe nagamba kangire nfuna eddagala nwakubadde nga takebeddwa. So bwe weeyongerayo okumira eddagala buli kaseera n'omubiri gwo gweyongera okumanyira eddagala eryo n'otuuka ekiseera nga terikyasobola kukola.
Dr. Muhammad Lemedi, Head of Department Global Health Security Infectious Diseases Institute, nagirangu laboratory eyakwasibwa Mbarara University neza kuyamba kumaraho obulemeezi bwa drug resistance obuliyo nibweyongera omwihanga. Ogu nagirangu bashowize sente ziri kurenga omuri biliyoni emwe kuhunduza laboratory mwenda z'abantu nina ezanyamishwa omwihanga lyona.
The main aim is really to avert the human and economic burden that comes with microbial resistance, and through strengthening systems for microbial use and consumption surveillance.
We also have 4 laboratories in animal health that we're supporting in the project. In the next 2 weeks, we're actually commissioning 4 laboratories of the project that have been renovated. This is one of them here in Mbarara, but we also have laboratories in Masaka, Lira, and Arua. 3 of them are human health, 1 is animal health.
Laboratory yakwasibwa ehunduzibwe sente z'obuhwezi okuruga omuri UK Department of Health and Science Care and Mott McDonald program ya Framing Fund Grant Program.
The lab renovation
Gashakwa Abdul Kalim Sengendo.
opportunity once again.